It's always better to go to a doctor rather than a person who sells medicines, you know. So the question is, it is definitely, it will be helpful, but my only thing is, please be very clear what your financial planner or advisor whom you're going to, exactly what, how does he go about in the entire thing. So what is his processes? How is he looking at the full macro analysis? How is he assisting you? How comfortable, and the trust factor, which is the most crucial thing, are you able to trust that person in terms of your finances? And at the same time, how comfortable you are in terms of the suggestions which that person is giving. Is it more looking at your planning per se, or is it more product focused? So these things are certain things which have to be kept in mind when we go ahead and choose a planner. Definitely a planner makes a huge difference. The first and foremost reason being that he gives you more of logical decisions. We are sometimes stuck by emotional decisions. So I don't sell an asset if I've made a loss. Probably you can come out of it and get into something and recover that. But sometimes people hold on to it just because of the fact that one day I will get the money back. And probably in that process, you lose a lot of money. So these things are very, very crucial, which a financial planner talks from a logical perspective, and he ends up helping you meet your retirement corpus or any goal, as a matter of fact. So I think it definitely helps. I completely agree to that fact. But just do your due diligence on whom you're choosing as an advisor.
Brought to you by UTI Mutual Fund. हक एक बेहतर जिंदगी का.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all the scheme-related documents carefully.